Hello guys, get ready with me at mag-get ready na naman ang babae. May lakad na naman siya. Oy! So today is the baptism and birthday celebration of one of my friend's daughter. And yeah, we need to get ready. Get ready. Ayun guys, grabe napakainit ng panahon ngayon. Ito na yung calmness before the storm kasi may bagyong parating, 'di ba? Kasi guys, napakainit ng panahon ngayon. Like 9 AM pa lang parang alauna na. Anywho, so I want to thank yung aking mga models or participants ng aking free makeup campaign na nakadalo na sumipot. Thank you so much. You are all so beautiful. And yeah, maraming salamat. Ayun guys, I still have slots open for July. Tapos some part of July are still open. So this is a great opportunity if you have an event. So slots are still open. Kaya feel free to message me para ma-reserve na natin yung date na yan. So we can talk it out and reserve the date. And again guys, it's a free makeup. So talagang grab nyo na tong aking offer. Kasi by August, I will like officially start na talaga. May bayad na siya te. And again guys, this free makeup and free transpo is within Silang lang. Pero kung outside silang naman kayo, like Tagaytay, Gentry, Imus, Bacoor, mga ganyan, GMA, ayan. Free makeup pa rin naman siya. I still offer the free makeup sa mga nearby areas. Pero sagot nyo na yung transpo nun. Transpo lang. Ako na yung bahala sa makeup. Again, it's totally free, just to clarify. So, hindi ko kayo babayaran and hindi nyo rin ako babayaran. Ganun ang ating system. It's very important to clear that out. What I'm offering is a free makeup service. Ganyan siya. So, ayan, matatapos na tayo sa ating look. Magka-cluster lashes lang at kiss. I don't know if I have enough time, pero if ever, tatambay muna ako sa SM. Kasi I will be meeting my friends sa Pala-Pala. And what time is it na ba? 10:30. 10:30 and 12 yung start ng event. So, we still have like an hour and a half. Ayan, so sana lang I have enough time. Kasi bibili pa ako ng pang-gift para dun sa celebrant. So, ayan siya te. Tapos, i-coat ko lang siya ng mascara ng JMCY para combine yung falsies. Yung cluster and yung natural lashes. Ayan siya. And hindi ako nakapag-tight line. So, magta-tight line lang ako ng very light dito sa banda dito. Tapos, dito sa my inner. So, naglagay lang ako ng very light dito para lang meron siyang accent. And that's it guys. Lastly is magli-lipstick lang ako. Very simple lang. This is the EB, the OG EB matte lipstick. I am in the shade Toast of New York. Best ever Toast of New York. Ayan. So, final touch ko lang siya. Adding shimmery splendid dito and dito. Areas na gustong i-highlight. Talabay din ako dito. And dito. Tapos dito. And then dito. And lastly, for a long-lasting makeup, so itong C Makeup Matte Fixing Spray or Setting Spray. And this is the final look. So, this is my final fit. Arrange lang natin ang aking bag. And ito yung bag na aking gagamitin. So, wallet, syempre. And then, power bank. Okay. Pressed powder, of course. And then, lipstick. And then, suklay. And then, ano pa ba? Ito ako doon. Ito. Alam mo, nabili ko to sa feeling ko feeling ko pen shop group siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong pabango ng pen shop. Kasi, ano mo yung packaging niya. Napakabango nito. Super mura lang niya, pero mabango siya. So, ayun. And then, yung mga cellphone ko, ibubulsa ko na lang siya. And for my sandals, ito ang aking susuotin. Tapos, yeah. This is basically it. I have to go, guys. I'll see you. Bye!